Lesson 3.5, Counting on the Number Line. Our learning target today is I can use a number line to count by 2s, 3s, 5s, and 10s, count forward and backward by 1s, and create skip counting patterns. Number lines have many different features. If you look at this picture, we'll talk about some of the different things that we can learn about number lines. One thing we know about number lines is they can go in any directions. They can go left and right, they could be up and down, or they could be slanted. Another feature of number lines is that they have arrows to show that the line goes on forever. So the arrows at the end of each of these number lines shows that even though a number line here shown ends at 6, it keeps going on and on. Another feature of number lines is that it can start with any number. If we look at each of these number lines, this number line starts with the number 0. This number line starts with the number 25. This number line here starts with -5, and this number line also starts with 0. A last feature of number lines is that they can go below 0. These numbers are called negative numbers. If you look at this number line, it goes below 0. And here are what we call negative numbers. One of the things that we know about negative numbers is that we often use these in the winter time when the temperature gets really cold and it's -1 degrees. We are going to now practice some number line skip counting using our math journals. Please get out your math journal and open to page 35. Do this now. We can use our number line to count by 2s, 5s, 10s, and 3s. Let's take a look at number 1. We can count by 2s if we start at 0 and count over 2. 1, 2. And then we go count by 2, 1, 2. Now we're at 4. 1, 2. Now we're at 6. If we continue, we're going to skip 1 and go 1, 2. Now we're at 8. Follow along with me, get your pencil, and let's do some jumping. Everyone's pencil should be on number 8 right now. And we're going to skip, we're going to count 1, 2, end on 10. We're going to skip, go 1, 2. Now your pencil should be on 12. Skip 1, 2. Now your pencil should be on 14. Skip 1, 2. Now your pencil should be on 16. 1, 2. Now your pencil should be on 18. 1, 2. Now your pencil should be on 20. 1, 2. And we end at 22. Now if we use this number line, we could skip count and practice counting by 2s by stopping at each place where we skipped on the number line. Let's practice counting by 2s now. Follow the pointer. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, we're ready to move on. Let's take a look at number 2. On this one, we are going to show counts by 5s. That means we need to count 5 every time we do a jump. So let's take a look at this number line right here. So first, we know we need to start at 0, and we're going to count 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our first skip is going to go from 0 to 5. Now we're going to count 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our next jump is going to go from 5 to 10. Boys and girls, I want you to finish this problem by yourself now. Let's take a look and see how you did. Your next jump should look like this. Go from 10 to 15, and then from 15 to 20. Good job. Let's take a look at our next problem. Number 3, we're counting by tens. We need to start again at 0, and this time we're going to count by 10. So we need to start at 0 and count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to get my pencil, start on the 0, and draw a big jump all the way to 10. Boys and girls, please complete the next jump on your own. Our next jump should go from 10 to 20. Good job. Go ahead and try number 4 on your own.